What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry for the wait, and we are back. Let's try to finish this apartment stuff, and so we can move on to better things. Okay. So in the last video, I know we left the doing this where you can either purchase or view the detail. So now we need to add a back button somewhere, so that way we can go back. If we after we done see the detail, we can go back. So let's see. Apartment UI, background blur. Okay, so this is the detail. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, fix my stuff. So this is detail. Welcome message. So I don't get confused. Okay. So we need a button. We can grab the one from the main screen. Yeah, one of these. Let's copy this. And paste it somewhere in here. And then yeah, let's put it bottom down here inside the content. And let's make it bottom. Good. You know what? Let's hold off on that and let's add a size box to the screen. Is that it? Yep. And then make it center and size the content, and let's add a vertical box inside of it. And then here we can add the button, and let's rename it to back button. All right. Main screen, or whatever you want it to say. Oh, that's a oh yeah. Let's say back routine. Okay. And on here, let's where's the vertical box? Let's do the size back to like, let's do 800 by let's do 5. Depending on how much detail you want to put in here, so it's up to you. Let's do 40 or 80. Okay. So this would be where you put all your detail. Like let's make this full screen. You can put everything inside of here, like the price, whatever you want to put. Okay. And then when we click the back button, we need to do this. Set active widget, and we're setting it to 0 because we're going back to the first screen. So if we go and see this, and we go to app, and then go back to main screen like that. Okay, and I think I want to decrease this, so like 17. To me, it might look better. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now let's work on because I know some of you guys still didn't do it. Let's work on this. even though I said you can't do it the same way you did it for the house, I know some of you guys didn't do it. So, and then I'm gonna try to implement something new. I don't have any references to what I'm about to do, but I'm just going to go as I go. So let's say buy apartment. Okay, buy apartment. Let's say server buy apartment. Make it on a server. MC buy apart. I'll just say APT. And this one on multi-guys. MC by APT. Now we're here. So if we get the character, I think I have a function called get apartment. Is it get apartment? Nope, I don't. Okay. Or do I have APC apartment? Huh. Server by apartment. Oh, really? Really? I'm gonna wait it in here. Okay, so yeah. So let's go to the character. Do I have one? No, I don't. Okay. Get apartment. Let's create a function called get apartment. And we say get overlapping actors. BP apartment for each loop. Let's check to see. Let's cast to BP. We shouldn't be casting. Let's yeah, we shouldn't be casting. Let's do this. Interface and call this API apartment. Now why am I doing this? Get apt ref BP apartment. And inside of the apartment, click settings, BP, API, apartment, and then let's get a reference to self. In the character, we can say get apt ref message, and then promote this to a variable. And then we can check to see if it's valid. If it is, we add a yep. And we turn the apartment. And we can make this a pure function because we're just getting something from it. And if we go back here, we can say get apartment, excuse me, get the function. And I want to check it again. Is valid, just in case the first one failed. If it is, let's just print a string. They just print the apartment name. Yep, it's, wait. Hold on. Oh no, I need to go to the UI. Apartment UI on button buy. We just get character. That's interesting. Okay, well, we don't need to go here. We can just say get character. Get EPC apartment. Make sure it's valid. Wait a minute. No. Yeah, I need to do this anyway, so let's do it. Get APC APT. So we need to get this anyway, because we might need the apartment component. But let's get this, and we need the character. We need to call, oh yeah, I was right. What I was doing was right. This, and we call server by apartment. On the button click. So if I go here, bam, yep, see, BP apartment. Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do, we're gonna say get apartment. What did I call it? APT info. Get APT info. Let's break it. Let's do if or not sold. Even though we shouldn't get it, but so if it's not sold already, only then we're gonna allow people to buy it. So now we get the character. We check in to see get player info. We check in to see if they have enough money, pretty much. If player money is greater or equal to the buy price. If that is true, we get player money, we subtract player money by the buy price. So now we moving the amount for the apartment from the character money, and then we're gonna say set members and player info. We're setting the player money to the result of this, and then from the apartment, let's move this. Promote this to a variable, apartment ref. So we don't have a lot of wires and stuff. And from here, we can say, matter of fact, we can just do this. We can copy this, and then we can say set member. We can set the ISO and owner. ISO to true, and the owner gonna be the player character. And then let's create an array of apartments. Turn it into an array. Excuse me. And then we're gonna say add, so that we can keep track of how many apartments we have, so we can buy multiple apartments and stuff. And then pass the apartment here, like so. And then I think we need to hide the UI. Where did I create this UI? I think I created it in the UI component. Yes, widget component. Server. It's interaction. Let's create interaction. Okay. Now if I go to apartment, go here. Server hide interaction. Server create welcome. That's in PPC apartment. Okay, server hide apartment UI. Okay. Oh wait. Okay. We can say server hide apartment UI right after we purchase the apartment. So let's go see. If I go here, open, purchase. What's going on? Oh. Doing the wrong place. It needs to happen right after we add it to the apartments. Boom, purchase. Something is going on. Page string. Hello, let's see. Oh, that means saying we don't have enough. We don't. Our money is not greater than the price. How much money I have? I have 200,000. And how much this apartment costs? It costs 200,000, but it is equal to that. Let's see. Remove this. Buy price. If play money is greater or equal to the buy price. Okay, let me see. Let's do greater than. Money is greater than buy price. If that's true. Let me see some. But it's saying I have 200,000, so buy price, I said $10 or whatever. Yep, apartment info is the same. PP widget, you can close that. If player money, matter of fact, let's just print player money and see. Since you wanna give me errors. Oh, now it's working. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's working. But buy price 100, 1, 2, 3, 100,000. In my player, I know for sure he has 200,000. So what's the problem? Okay, here we go. Just purchase it. Okay, cool. Okay, there's another place that I'm seeing a hello, and I need to hide it. Is it in the UI? Should not be in the UI. Where? Okay, so it's when I interact with the, yeah, it's right there. Let's remove this. So now when we go purchase it, boom, it went away. Now if I come back, it opens the this is the detail screen, but this should not be the detail screen because now we already purchased the apartment, so we shouldn't see this. So we shouldn't see this. So his apartment is sold. We should just be able to interact with the apartment. Oh no, well we can create another because as soon as we purchase this apartment, this will be hidden. So now we'll be able to walk to the main office. So let me show you what I'm saying. So let's say this is the apartment, and then the buy area was over here. So once we purchase it, this door should be able, we should be able to interact with this door since we own the apartment. Okay, so let me put this over there. So we need to also hide this after we purchase the apartment. So ABT, let's close this. Once we purchase the apartment, we hide the UI. We can get the character, and we can say server hide component. And the component we are hiding will be, if we grab the apartment, I believe it's called office collision. Yeah, we get the office collision and we hide that. If we had a mesh, we could just put the mesh on here. So let's try it on the client to make sure it's working. So client come here, purchase, boom. Now it goes away. So now this is the part where we work on now on the office design, and then you'll be able to walk in and then open the door and then do what you need to do. So let's start working. I have an error here that says set hidden in game. Oh, that's for the static mesh. I'm getting a problem because we're not passing the static mesh. Because you need to put like a sign. As a matter of fact, let's just do it. Let's just do it because that's where it's gonna be your the sign. Let's say apt by sign, so that we let people know that this apartment is for sale. Let's grab this, put it here, and we shouldn't get an error after this. Yep, no errors. Okay, so hiding the collision and static mesh. Okay, so we can see, and let's grab, let me see, valid, whatever. This is checking to see if player has enough money. Checking if player have enough money. Yep, just like that. And then this this whole thing can be buy apartment. So now to see, let's do a quick debugging to see if we have our apartment. So what's this? Let's do on the keyboard too. Let's get the BPC apartment. Make sure it's valid. And then we say get apartments for each loop. Print the length of it. So now, for now, let's make these apartment 50,000 so that way I can 50, 1, 2, 3. I can demonstrate. You get a child, you get 1, 2, and 3. So now if I push 2, you know what? I already have something on the keyboard. Let's get keyboard K. So if I press K, nothing. Okay. Why is it not printing anything? Oh, but why is the ABC apartment? It's not valid though. Right, why is it not valid? BPC. Huh. Did I put it in here? Yeah. Okay. Character owner, custody character. But why is it not valid? That's what I want to know. Because it's right there. That is crazy, but okay. Because this is being implemented inside of the apartment thing. So apparently I'm getting it, but why I'm not getting it inside of my character? Why can I? Okay, let's see. This is weird. Oh, okay, I know. I think I know why. I'm not even sure if that's why, but let me see. No. Cut the FN component. BBC house, BBC widget, bank. Yep, I didn't set it in here. Make sure you set it inside the init function inside of the character on begin play. This function, set character ref in component. Make sure you set it here. Set character ref. Now, where's the input? Right there. Now this should work. So about that, my keyboard died, but yeah, make sure you set that up in the init function for the for the player. So now if I press K and it's still not doing it, oh, there you go, 1. I guess because the array was 0, it didn't print it out. So if I purchase this, if I get this one as well, now I should say 2. There we go. Now I have 2 apartments. And then if I went and purchase this, and then this is the last one, and then I should say 3. And as you can see, my money went down. So right now I have 200,000. I purchased the first one. Boom, this is 150, 100. Now I own 3 apartments. And for let's see, if you want to keep track of it, we can go to the widget. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing it. Player money. Player APT apartments. And then we can set APT number. And then you don't have to do this, but get character ref, get APC, if it's valid, we get apartments, and then we get the length of the apartment, and then we push them there, and if not, we just say 0. So by default it says 0. Now if I go purchase 1, we have 1 apartment, 2 apartments, and then 3 apartments. That way you can keep track of how many apartments you own. Padding at the bottom should be 8. Yep, like so. Okay, so what was the first thing? Oh, house status. Okay. So now what we can do, we can start working on the office for the apartment, so that way we can do the doors and everything like that. But I think I want to do this in the next video. So for this one, we can call it quit right here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.